I saw this pretty cool thing here. German Technical Museum, if I am translating it correct. This it's pretty cool, right? Ah, I'm almost close to my casting location as well. And while walking, I just saw this museum, so I was like, why not show you guys as well? It's pretty nice. Yeah, I don't know how many neighborhoods I have crossed so far. Quite empty. Some really funny or strange thing was about to happen. I took out my camera for vlogging 20 minutes back, like in one street. Oops, I thought I just lost something. No. And there was a woman on the street, uh, kind of weird woman. She was just standing in the middle and then on footpath, and she was just staring at people and all. And then she saw me, and then she kind of started walking towards on my way. So I got a bit scared, so I just put my camera down in my pocket, and then she just passed by. But she was staring like, I was like, oh, okay. I don't want to get into any trouble, but I don't want my camera to get stolen or something. Or maybe it's just me. I'm thinking too much. Who knows? Anything can happen, you know? Good and bad people exist everywhere in the world. Ah, again, Technisch Museum. Ah, pretty nice. It's so good to see, you know, like empty streets. Usually don't get so many opportunities to see empty streets in Berlin. It's like really huge city, really bigger than Hamburg, and I have people from all over the world here. Like every second or third person you can see is talking in English. It's pretty fun. So if someday you plan to come to Germany, of course nature side is also pretty good in Germany, but do visit Berlin. It's pretty fun. So the casting part is done. It was quite funny actually, because day before yesterday when I got the email for invitation, I was quite confused because it was like in the email they wrote that please bring black jeans, white t-shirt, high heels, no makeup, and bring good energy and all. And I was like, was this email really for me, or it was more like an in general email for all genders? So I was quite confused that was I really, you know, like invited today or not. But I still came, and then I finally met the designer, and he explained me that it was a kind of a general email for everyone, so it was totally fine. I was invited too. We did some really funky vintage and royalty looking clothes that he had designed, and he and his mother. It's more like a sustainable, reusable clothes. Local brand in Berlin they are coming up with. Hopefully this year they will launch their new clothes, new designs. In a couple of days I will know that I will be in the next round or not. But it was a good experience. I learned a lot today. I learned how to do it. So it was pretty much fun. Yeah. So now I have to find my friend. Where is she? And then hopefully I will eat something. I'm a bit hungry. And then just have a little walk around, and then maybe go back to Hamburg. So I'm closer to checkpoint Charlie checkpoint. I have been so many times there, but I never saw this place before, honestly. Just today is my first time. I guess I do remember one time, but I think that time I was just in a bus and I was driving by from this street. Oh yeah. Let's get closer and see. Oh, miss. I have to be careful. Okay, you managed. Nice building. This looks quite nice actually. Yeah. Come on. Still red? Loud kids. And there goes the police eye. Police. Okay. Now it's us. So. I'm damn sure because of COVID, there is no guard standing outside. Usually there's always one US guard, like army guard or someone, is always standing outside, as you know, like on the checkpoint. But today, I think no. So this was an American sector in previous time. You are leaving the American sector. Sie verlassen den amerikanischen Sektor. Russian I can't read. And I think second one is American, Spanish or French, I don't know, whatever it is. So they have a museum here, Museum House on Checkpoint Charlie, home of freedom since 1962. Crazy. The wall history and incident, worldwide non-violent struggles for human rights. Original objects from successful escapes underground, over land, and in the air. Crazy, man. Ah, there's the museum cafe, but of course closed. Ah. Yeah, there's no one. It's empty. So yeah, as usual, German police will be here today at the checkpoint. Crazy, man. This is also a very famous tourist attraction. Lots of tourists just come here and the guard is standing and then people just take pictures with them. Funny, isn't it? There's one thing I really love about Berlin. It's like full of colors, you know. You can see lots of people, different way of style and, you know, street look and gangster look, more elegant, all kind of things. Mostly in Hamburg, I don't see such things. Hamburg is more like on one majority, they are more on, you know, like elegant way. But here, it's different. Maybe because of mixed culture, for sure. Oh, there are some nice pictures here. Zweiter Berlin crisis. Second Berlin crisis. In 1957, the Soviet Union sent the first man-made satellite into space and continued to catch up in the arms race. The launch of the Sputnik satellite heightened Western allies' fears of potential Soviet military superiority. That's a good thing to know. But it's gonna take a long time to read all of these things. What is it? Hungarian citizens with a captured Soviet tank. Oh, crazy. Those are also some times. We are quite glad that we haven't seen those times, but you can imagine how much painful it is when there's a war ongoing and people dying every day. But now, in 21st century, things are quite safe and peaceful, but still in some places it's still ongoing. We should be glad. So yeah, so if I, yeah, enough of the knowledgeable or my stupid stuff that I'm always talking about. Now, if I go straight on the street, I guess I will be exactly on the main street, which is like Brandenburg Burger Tor, if I said it right. I think that street will come. So yeah, let's see.